Bonjour, and welcome aboard. Please listen to the following safety announcements before we begin our journey. For your comfort and safety, please remain seated, keeping your head, hands, arms, and legs inside the train at all times. For those of you with small children, for their safety, we ask that you place them towards the center of the car seat and not on the outside edge, as we make our way to the Caribou Station.
Ready to go home.
Hold on to your little ones as we begin our path across the 400-foot Rhine River trestle, traveling 90 feet above the water. This structure is one of the two long-span trestles found along the Busch Gardens Railway system. As we cross the trestle, please keep your hands, arms, and loved ones inside the train cars. Did you know you can celebrate Oktoberfest year-round at Busch Gardens? Grab a pretzel or beer at Pantheon, test your skills with some games, and relax at the perfect Bavarian beer garden. Journey deep into the Black Forest on Verbolten, a multi-launch indoor and outdoor coaster with a daring 88-foot plunge towards the Rhine River that will leave you breathless. Rounds of King Ludwig's Fortress on Dar Coaster, an indoor launch coaster that traverses through immersive lighting and sound. If you look toward the right, you will find Alpenbach, our incredible inverted coaster. After climbing to a 195-foot alpine high, riders are hurtled through 6 staggering inversions at speeds up to 67 miles per hour. we approach the Caribou Station, please listen to the following safety announcements. Please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. You may then exit to your right and right-hand side only. If you would like to continue on to the Creekside Station in Scotland, or the Festa Station in Festa Italia, please remain on board and slide all the way to your left to allow room for boarding guests. Thank you for riding, and have an excellent day here at Busch Gardens.
Just a reminder, when the train comes to a complete stop, we're going to whistle. Before getting up out of your seat, we have access near the front of the train, near the back of the train. Once again, you can exit through the right side of the train. If you need to go, you can choose the exit to go from the right side of the train, and not use the left side of the train for any reason whatsoever. And don't forget, next time we'll be Creekside in Scotland, but right now we're at Caribou near France. And don't forget, please wiggle that whistle, and we got access to the front of the train and the back of the train. There's that whistle.